Since the collapse, inspectors have been checking bridges all over America, and Sheila McVicker reports they could learn a lot from experts in Europe.
Engineers listening for the sound of corroded steel, looking for evidence of cracking. With hammers and binoculars, this is the way America inspects its bridges. And if inspectors can't see a problem, they can't know something's wrong. But in Europe, with some of the most spectacular new bridges and some of the most beautiful old ones, bridge owners are turning to new technology to check on the health of their bridges 24/7.
Inspection is a very useful tool, but it's restricted to the surface of the bridge, and not all the deficiencies can be found. I like to make the analogy to your doctor.
And like your doctor's tests, this high-tech bridge sensing gets to the heart of the matter. Fiber optic sensors are embedded in the concrete. Okay, what's this?
So these are two strain sensors, and by measuring the time the light takes to travel through the fiber, we can measure the deformation of the bridge.
For older bridges, there's this tape with a fiber optic filament. It will be glued to a 40-year-old bridge in Sweden.
You can install a tape like this that can be several kilometers long and then pinpoint to 1 meter precision where the problem is happening.
The technology isn't restricted to Europe. It's also made in America.
We're able to capture data that's less than 1/10 the width of a human hair.
In Atlanta, Peter Vanderzee markets a similar kind of remote sensing for bridge managers in the U.S.
Every time we go to them and present our technology, we generally hear, a big wow, that's a very interesting piece of technology, we'd love to use it, but we don't have the money.
Across America, transportation authorities say they are financially strapped. Some say they have a hard time even finding the money to buy paint. Until they know exactly what caused the catastrophic collapse in Minneapolis, advocates of remote bridge sensing say they won't know for sure if the new technology would have given a warning. But they do say inspectors and engineers would have had a much better idea of what shape the bridge was in. Sheila McVicker, CBS News, Mano, Switzerland.